Relationship don't need promises, terms and conditions. It just needs two wonderful people and one who can trust and one who can understand. No matter how many times we fight, I'm never going to stop loving you. I will keep my promise to you and never give up on us. I promise. Life is too short to argue and fight. Count your blessings. Love the friends and family that are always there. Smile more than often make you most of the everyday. Happiness starts with you, not with your relationship, not with your job, not with your money, and not with your circumstances. But it starts with you only. I love you means that I accept you for the person that you are and that I don't wish you to change you into someone else. It means that I don't expect predictions from you just as you don't expect from me. I love you means that I will love you and stand by you even though the worst of times. It means loving you when you are in a bad mood or you too tired to do the things I want to do. It means loving you when you are down, not just when you are fun to be with me. That means I love you. I am loving you. Relationship requires choosing to love each other even in the moment when you struggle to like each other. I don't understand our relationship sometimes. Were we friends? Sometimes were we more than friends. Other times I am just a stranger to you. A good man doesn't love a million girls. He loves one girl in million ways. Good relationship don't trust. It's happen. They take it time, patience, and two people who truly want to be together with their lives, with third person happily. A relationship gets stronger when both are willing to understand mistakes and forgive each other. You are in a relationship to be happy, to smile, to laugh, and to make good memories, not to be constantly upset, to feel hurt, and to cry. Be the couple who are so bound together with nothing can destroy their bond. True love is about growing as a couple, learning about each and never giving up on each other. A true relationship is two unperfect people refusing to give upon each other. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Shobha World.